Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 10 secant of t, because if we put this one go in here, we have 100 secant of t square, 100. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. And later that, we combine with ds. ds, we have 10 secant of t tan t dt. The integral, the first derivative of secant of t, that's about this one in here. So we put this one go in here. This one go in here. ds we change by this one. Tan secant of t, we simplify. This one we have 100 secant of t square. 100, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. The square root of 100 tan t square, we have 10 tan t. Number 10, we simplify. Tan t with tan t, we have tan t square. About tan t square, we change secant of t square minus 1. The integration of secant of t square, we have tan t. The integration of number 1, we have t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by number 10. And we have t equal to arc secant of s over 10. So we put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.